Hello Year 2, it's Miss Moore here today and I'm back with another video for your phonics learning. So today is Tuesday the 19th of January and we're going to start our phonics lesson today by looking at some words that you were practicing in your phonics yesterday. So I know that you've been learning about adding the suffix ing onto the end of some verbs. And yesterday you had a look at some short vowel sounds, and if the word had a short vowel sound, you had to double the consonant, you had to double the last letter before you added ing onto the end of that word. So here on my board I've just got a few words that you were practicing. So we're going to read them together. We've got skipping, chatting, flapping, planning, popping and drumming. So all of these words have got a short vowel sound in them, and I've doubled that last letter and added ing onto the end. So practice spelling those words and then you can move on to our new rule for today, which is over here on my whiteboard. So we've got a new rule and we're going to read it on our board. It says, if a verb ends in the letter E, you take the E off and then you add ing. So that means if you have a look at these words here, can you spot that all of these words end in the letter E? So before we add our suffix ing to these words, we've got to take this letter E off and then add ing. So let's read this word together. We've got bake, bake. Well, I want to say I am baking a cake. So that means I've got to take my letter E off and then I add ing to my word. Okay, let's have a look at this one. Hike, hike. That's right, I've got to take my letter E off and then add ing. So we're adding our suffix ing. This one, wave. Wave, wave. That's right. I am waving at my friend, something that you're doing in the moment. Okay, and then slide. I am sliding down the water slide. So you take your E off and then you add ing. So let's read those words together then that we've just used our rule to change it to add the suffix ing. So we now have baking, hiking, waving and sliding. Okay, so we're going to have one more look at our rule for today and then I'm going to show you the words that you're going to practice adding the suffix ing onto. So it says, if a verb ends in the letter E, you take the E off, then add ing. Okay, so here are your words that you're going to practice today. So we've got smile, care, dance, ride, shake, shake, cycle, drive and write. So tell your grown-up what you can spot about all of these words. That's right, they've all got a letter E on the end. Okay, so try to remember the rule that we've learnt together. If it ends in an E, you've got to, that's right, you've got to drop the letter E and then add ing. Have a go at practicing those words and then why don't you challenge yourself to see if you can write some of them in a sentence. So I've written a sentence here and mine says, I enjoy riding on my bike at the weekends. Okay, so have a go and have lots of fun and enjoy.